plasma that you didn't know. So let's get started with an introduction to plasma in case you forgot what it really is. Then I would move on to facts related with plasma, how it's created, its uses. So, what is plasma? Plasma is considered as the fourth state of matter. The three other states are solid, liquid, and gas. Plasma is a cloud of protons, neutrons and electrons where all the electrons have come loose from their respective molecules and atoms, giving the plasma the ability to act as a whole rather than as a bunch of atoms. A plasma is more like a gas than any of the other states of matter because the atoms are not in constant contact with each other, but it behaves differently from a gas. It has what scientists call collective behavior. This means that the plasma can flow like a liquid or it can contain areas that are like clumps of atoms sticking together. How is plasma created? Plasma is created by adding energy to a gas so its atoms and molecules separate, called ionization, into negatively charged electrons and positively charged ions. Unlike the other states of matter, the charged particles in a plasma will react strongly to electric and magnetic fields. If a plasma loses heat, the ions will reform into a gas. Interesting facts about plasma. Over 99% of the matter in the visible universe is believed to be plasma. When the atoms in a gas are broken up, the pieces are called electrons and ions. Because these pieces have an electric charge, they are pulled together or pushed apart by electric fields and magnetic fields. This makes a plasma act different from a gas. For example, magnetic fields can be used to hold a plasma, but not to hold a gas. Plasma is a better conductor of electricity than copper. Plasma is usually very hot, because it takes very high temperatures to break the bonds between electrons and the nuclei of the atoms. Sometimes plasmas can have very high pressure, like in stars. Stars, including the sun, are mostly made of plasma. Plasmas can also have very low pressure, like in outer space. On Earth, lightning and aurora make plasma. Uses of plasma. Artificial, man-made uses of plasma include fluorescent light bulbs, neon signs, and plasma displays used for television or computer screens. Scientists are experimenting with plasma to make a new kind of nuclear power, called fusion, which would be much better and safer than ordinary nuclear power, and would produce much less radioactive waste. As last, I would like to say that please like the video.